write your name.
So there's the famous idiot.
I could show you.
There you go.
The worst is yet to come.
Thank you, Pop.
If you don't remember.
I think so. I think so. Say something for the channel, motherfucker. Yo, yeah. Ciao. So tell me, where are we?
Sicilian village something. Where are we?
Ah.
Outlet. Village place for shopping.
Are we gonna shop something?
Yes, my baby is gonna buy me something from Lacoste and Adidas and all those expensive shops that we just saw outside.
Yeah. The first one that we saw was called Luxurious Jewelry.
Yeah,
That's
it was
what I was buying.
Lux Zone or something.
Yes.
Yeah, something like. Yeah, I wanted jewelry from there. Yes.
Yeah, we'll buy that.
Which year? But why is the camera going up?
One. Let's go to someone less interesting. I am here just for driving. I don't know why I'm here.
I like the cafe we're in. It's really nice. It's really cute. I hate the fact that there's these ships that exist, but it's a pretty place.
I'm gonna see around and show you some shops. And
Oh, are you?
Yes.
Are you? Really?
thank you.
L'acqua naturale, giusto?
See,
What is it?
natural water, not sparkle. Look what she take.
Taste it and see if it's actually nice.
Let's see the
If it's better
first
than the one you took.
first reaction.
It's chocolate.
Wow.
Wow. You want me to taste through yours just in case
No.
you know there's poison?
Grazie.
Okay.
Always on his phone because he just came to the drive.
He doesn't miss a driving opportunity.
Never.
Never ever.
I will make
Show the
street.
place. I like the place. Show the place.
The place, guys. The center, there's this where you can order, and all around is the tables. There's also on the other side, which I will zoom. There is like you can order other food, and that's it.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Waiting to go in the shop.
So we're on the lineup to go into gas. We're waiting. You can pack now. Hey guys, this is packed number 1. I feel it's too long. Like even if he was going to save me here, this is like a person. I love these pants.
Are you happy?
Yeah, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
You're recording.
I'm recording.
Okay, thank you for recording my vlog. Yeah, I'm happy. I shot.
What did you buy? You will show in another video.
Yeah, you need to subscribe to. Come and see what I bought.
That's
yeah,
so...
I will be doing a video on everything that I've bought while I'm here. So.
Oh my god, that's gonna be like 20 minutes video.
Hey, come on, what's that supposed to mean? I didn't even buy that much stuff.
You bought at least 4 or 5 pair of pants. Only pants, because...
This is not true.
Say it in camera.
I'm counting it. I have like 2 there. This is not true. And guys, so we're leaving outlet. Yeah, Christian promises that next time we're gonna go into Prada. I don't trust his ass. He's cheap. Okay?
We're gonna go to Prada.
We're gonna go into Prada.
And go out.
But we're not gonna buy anything.
I'm taking this from
He's pissed off because it's hot.
It's my work. It's my...
He's taking it professionally, you know? So, yeah, so look at how he's left the car right now. Show the situation of the car. Director, show the situation of the car with the doors open. He's left the doors open because we're gonna cook. He's taking this very seriously, guys. This is how you need to be passionate about stuff. So, okay, so where are we going? We're gonna go to eat right now. We're gonna head to McDonald's because there's a big baby behind this camera that wants to eat in McDonald's. And if I get
junk.
if I get fat, blame it on him. But what are these? These look like something.
Okay, it's good. This is called fico d'India.
They're called what?
Fico d'India. They are the fruits that you wanna take, but you have to. They are not ready here.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you will hurt yourself. Touch it.
You just told me I'll hurt myself.
Of course, but if you wanna touch it, touch it. It's not like you will die.
Look at that one, it looks like a heart.
Yeah.
And a ribbon on the front. Do you see it or you just...
I saw it.
Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna be going to eat now and... peace.
2,000 years later.
Yes, kappa.
It's so peaceful up here, guys. Hey. Hey, kappas. Hey, kappas.
No.
Hey, kappa. Hey, small kappa. Baby. Here you go.
Where are we?
Huh?
Where are we?
We are in Taormina. Yeah, the city and the mountain. It is hot. If you think it is hot down there, try to be up here. Yay! I'm just not sure. else.
Jealous.
Oh, okay.
You want a picture here?
Yeah.
I want a picture with you here.
You want a picture with me here?
You wanna say something?
I want to live here forever. You know how cool it is to stay here? It's super cool. But I am currently trying to take a good selfie.
This is how the magic starts, being Anastasia.
From time, and I just broke down, spitting out smoke inside of the